how to find active business integrations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find active business integrations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just go down again until you find this one here, apps and websites. And now just go down, not apps and websites, this one here, business integrations. And as you see here, you can find active business integrations, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.